Are you looking for the best airflow PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best airflow PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HAVN HS 420. The next award is for the best mechanical design, which we give to cases that may not have won in other categories, but truly innovated for the physical and mechanical elements of the case. This year, it goes to newcomer HAVN and their HS 420. The HS 420, read our review, exhibits a mastery of mechanical features. The HS 420 doesn't include fans, it's not fully airflow focused, and it isn't cheap at $200 for the horizontal GPU model. That makes it a tough fit for our price and performance-focused award categories, but it needs to be recognized, because it's one of the most interesting and downright good cases that we've reviewed this year. Mechanically, it's excellent. The curved tempered glass panel is the most significant feature. The panel is installed by sliding it back and down into the case on plastic wheels, where it then comes to rest on the bottom edge of the chassis. It takes some getting used to, but it's a clever and secure way of getting the huge glass pane seated. It's also proven to be durable, surviving multiple build/unbuild cycles through the filming process without serious wear. There was a lot of thought put into airflow, something we illustrated in animations. The HS 420 vGPU includes a curved glass deflector that's intended to direct incoming air around and into vertically mounted GPUs. It was a clever idea and a fresh approach, which we appreciated, but it did not help performance in our test system. That's also why we're specifically giving the award to the $200 base model, which is cheaper and sheds the hardware that didn't do much. Number 2. Thermaltake AH T200. The Thermaltake AH T200 is a one-of-a-kind PC case that comes with an open-frame design. This allows components to breathe freely, but also means things will get dusty pretty quickly. When you're after something a little unique, there's always Thermaltake with its catalog of wacky cases. We've been long-time fans of the company's designs with the Mighty Tower 900 for custom water cooling loops or the Core P range of open-frame cases. There's usually something from Thermaltake that will turn heads, making them ideal for shows and LAN events. The Thermaltake AH T200 is no exception with its truly unique look. Inspired by the design of a helicopter, this chassis has steel all over with plenty of cutouts for airflow. Two 4mm thick tempered glass panels are utilized to show off all the internals and provide excellent access to everything inside. It's a large case but is only able to accommodate up to a micro ATX motherboard. No fans come with the Thermaltake AH T200 and only two 120mm or 140mm fans can be installed on the top and front panels. Only the front panel supports the mounting of a radiator with a maximum length of 280mm. It's slightly limiting but should be enough for a PC build with an AIO liquid cooler. Thermaltake has favored form over function in certain areas, but there's no denying this is one stunning chassis. Number 3. Fractal Design Meshify C. The Fractal Design Meshify C is a more affordable version of the Meshify 2 Compact. It looks identical to the standard variant and offers almost the same set of features. We're looking at yet another Fractal design case with the Meshify C. You can consider the Meshify C a more affordable version of the Meshify 2 Compact. In fact, this is one of the most affordable cases in this collection, but that's not to say it's a bad chassis. It's far from it with excellent airflow, aesthetics, and features. Just like the other Fractal design case, the Meshify C also comes with a large mesh panel up front for maximizing thermal performance. With a total of 3 fans already inside the Meshify C, it's pretty much good to go unless you're using the most powerful components on the market. A further two 120mm fans can be installed on the top panel and a single 120mm blower on the bottom panel for a total of 6 fans. This case has full support for liquid cooling with the front panel able to handle a 360mm radiator and a 240mm radiator up top. 2 variants are available, one with a steel side panel and another with a tempered glass window. Good cable management and a PSU shroud ensure it's easy to create a clean PC build by routing everything through the available channels. This is a solid, budget-friendly chassis with everything you'd need for a powerful PC. Number 4. KEDIERS C650. The KEDIERS C650 Mech ATX tower is a bold statement in both style and performance, offering one of the most visually striking yet highly functional cases in its price range. If you're looking to build a gaming rig that turns heads while keeping thermals in check, this case delivers. Right out of the box, the white finish paired with tempered glass panels gives off a clean, futuristic vibe. The angular mech design is unique without being over the top, making it a standout in any gaming or workstation setup. The glass side panel offers a full view of your build, perfect for showing off RGB components and custom cooling loops. With support for multiple fans and top/bottom/front ventilation, airflow is more than adequate for high-performance builds. Many users will appreciate the pre-installed RGB fans, varies by variant, which not only improve thermals but add vibrant lighting effects to match your setup. There's ample room for radiator support if you're going liquid-cooled, and the open layout helps avoid thermal hotspots. The KEDIERS C650 Mech ATX case is a perfect blend of form and function. Whether you're building a high-end gaming PC or a powerful creator workstation, this case offers great airflow, tons of space, and killer aesthetics, all at a very reasonable price. It's a fantastic choice for builders who want something unique, functional, and display-worthy. Number 5. MegaPC M3K. The MegaPC upgraded open-frame mid-tower case is a hidden gem for builders who want something unique, compact, and incredibly functional. Perfect for micro ATX or mini ITX builds, this case packs premium features and modern design into a surprisingly efficient layout. This case is all about showcasing your hardware. The open-frame architecture, combined with a tempered glass side panel, creates a sleek and minimalist look that puts your components and RGB on full display. It feels high-end and is a perfect centerpiece for a desk setup. Thermals are solid out of the box, thanks to the pre-installed ARGB PWM fan. The fan is whisper-quiet under load, and the addressable RGB lighting adds a premium feel without being overwhelming. The open-frame structure naturally helps with heat dissipation, and there's room to expand cooling if needed. Support for a 240mm radiator gives you serious flexibility for AIO coolers or custom loops, rare in cases this size. It's an ideal choice for anyone building a compact, high-performance rig without sacrificing cooling options. The MegaPC upgraded open-frame mid-tower is an excellent choice for compact gaming or creator builds. With a unique look, tempered glass visibility, excellent airflow, USB-C support, and radiator compatibility, it hits the sweet spot between aesthetics, performance, and value. If you're looking to build a small, powerful, and beautiful PC, this case should be at the top of your list.